Hey guys, I'm Westy. Thanks for tuning in to Junkyard Dog Garage. I'm going to show you today how to check your old Volkswagen car battery and see if it's good or not. We're going to use a digital multimeter that you could buy at any cheap tool store or any large warehouse such as Lowe's or Home Depot type kind of store. They're under 10 bucks. I've seen them just like this in red, and I've seen them in yellow. They're identical. Don't be afraid of them. They've got a lot of little numbers and buttons and plugs. The red one goes in here. The black one goes in here. And you just want to make sure that you set this dial where it says DCV and 20. And then what we do is we'll go ahead and turn it on. But before we even turn it on, we're going to give your battery a quick visual inspection. Make sure that there aren't any bulges on the sides. Make sure that you're not leaking anywhere. Make sure you don't have a ton of corrosion buildup on your terminals. If you do, you're going to have to check out on how to clean that. We're not going to cover that today. It's mostly focusing around the digital multimeter. Go ahead and turn it on. Now before you hook up the red to what you see as the red, make sure that it's positive sign on the battery post. Make sure there's a negative sign on the battery post. Sometimes these cars, because they're 50 years old, people have put 2 black cables on or 2 red cables. And if you're not sure, I think you can see that in the camera, there's a positive sign right on the battery. So we know that that is definitely the positive post. So what we do is we'll take the red, put it on the positive post, take the black, put it on the negative post, and we're going to get our reading. We have 12.64. I think you can see that. Bouncing around a little bit, 12.65, 12.64. And I'm going to show you a chart right now so you can measure up your battery to see if it's good or not. Okay, hopefully your battery was good. If not, well, we're going to have to go ahead and take it out and replace it. That could be the culprit as to why it's not starting. You pretty much need a battery to do that. I'm Westy for Junkyard Dog Garage. I'm out. Thanks for watching.